Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add Facebook link to TikTok bio. So let's get started. So if you want to add your Facebook account's link to your TikTok bio, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Facebook. After opening up your Facebook, now what you can do is just tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you just have to select your profile. So after selecting it, now you will find this three dotted icon which is on the right side of your screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now in the bottom of your screen you should find this option which is your profile link. Just tap on your profile link and then copy it. And after copying it, now what you have to do is just simply close your Facebook and then open up your TikTok. So after opening up your TikTok, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile which is on the bottom right corner. And after tapping on that, now you will find a small option which is plus add bio. So what you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you can just simply paste the link that you have just copied. So you have copied your Facebook account link. What you can do is just simply paste it over here and then tap on save, which is on the top right. So after tapping on save, now you have successfully added your Facebook link to your TikTok bio. So now to check if you have successfully added it, what you can do is just simply tap on edit profile. So after tapping on edit profile, now you should find this option which is bio. Just tap on that, and from here you can check if you have added the link or not. So that's it guys, this is how to add Facebook link to TikTok bio. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.